Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 100, and in this video I will be explain textual exercise question of the chapter number 10th, Hello Alkanes and Hello Arenes. So let us start from question number 9th. Which compound in each of the following pairs will react faster in SN2 reaction with OH? Okay, so here given two compounds CS3Br and CS3I. Okay, so CS3Br and CS3I, so you already known about iodine and then Br. So iodine and Br, CS3 and here also CS3, same but only for halogen compound different. So iodine, large size of anion, so this compound easily react faster in SN2 reaction. Then CS3 whole 3CCl or CS3Cl. So halogen attach only directly CS3 and here halogen attach this carbon and this carbon attach to methyl group. Okay, so here 1 degree and here 2 degree. So SN2 given 1 degree halide. So CS3Cl. Question number 10. Predict all the alkenes that would be formed by dehydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. That is means hydrogen, halogen, remove. D means removal. DE removal. So hydrogen and halogen. Okay. So of the following halides with sodium ethoxide in ethanol, we have to use sodium ethoxide. So ethoxide. So NaC2H5ONa. Identify the major alkenes. So we have to use this compound 1-bromo, 1-methyl cyclohexane. See, 1-bromo, 1-methyl cyclohexane. This is the 1 number carbon. 1-bromo, 1-methyl cyclohexane. So this is the carbon here. See, this carbon and this carbon. So halogen attach this carbon. So this Br out. Okay, and here double bond are formed. So this is the major compound are formed. This compound, it is a less compound. Then second number compound given 2-chloro 2-methyl butane. So which major product? Here double bond, here double bond, here double bond, because here you see halogen attach this carbon alpha and the next carbon beta. So this position hydrogen replace and this position Cl. Okay, so 2 degree second number carbon double bond form major product. Okay, and one product is less. Okay, then this compound given 3-bromo 2,3 trimethyl 2,3 trimethyl pentane. So which compound is formed? This side. Okay, clear? So because here isomeric chain and all similar atoms attach with carbon, so Br attach this carbon and carbon hydrogen, so HBr remove, so here double bond are formed. This is the major product and this compound is the less way. Okay, then question number 11th. How will you bring about the following conversions? Ethanol to but1ine. Okay, how will you bring about the following conversions? So ethanol to but1ine. So we have to take ethanol, CS3CH2OH, okay, and then convert into the but1ine, and but1ine 1, 2, 3, 4 but, and then after one carbon double bond. So but1ine. So which step we have to take? So ethanol react with HBr. So OH H2 out and Br attached. So bromoethane form, and then when react with sodium Hc double bond C, Hc triple bond C and sodium ion, so attach, so Br and hydrogen, Br Na replace, and this C attach with carbon and triple bond convert into the this way C triple bond CH. Okay, and then Na react with Br, so NaBr out, so form 1, 2, 3, 4 but1ine. Okay, so first step react with HBr, second step react with sodium ethine, and in these two steps. Okay, then second one ethane to bromoethane. So ethane CS3 and then react with Br2. Okay, so in the light Br attach. Okay, and then 1H remove a Br, so HBr, so Br attached with CS3 CH2 in the presence of the alcoholic KOH. Okay, so Br attach this carbon alpha and then beta. So alpha and beta, alpha position Br remove, and then here hydrogen. Okay. Clear? So which product are formed? CH2 double bond CHBr. Sorry, alcoholic KOH in the presence. So which product are formed? CH2 double bond CH2. Again this is ethene react with Br2. So both position Br attach, and again in the alcoholic KOH. So one side Br remove by one hydrogen. So bromoethene are formed. So first you convert ethene and then attach Br. Okay. Then third is propene to 1-nitropropane. So propene is CH3CH double bond CH2 react with HBr, and then in the presence of the peroxide. So peroxide in the presence, so anti-Markovnikov rule. So halogen attach that position which double bond carbon have the maximum number of hydrogen atom. So Br attach this position and hydrogen attach this position. So CH3 CH2 CH2 Br, and then in the presence of the AgNO2. So NO2 attach, Br remove by replaced by Ag, and NO2 attach. So CH3 CH2 CH2 NO2 1-nitropropane. Toluene CH3 attach with benzene ring and convert into the benzyl alcohol. So which step we have to follow? So here you see CH3 and in the product OH attach. So first react with chlorination of the toluene. So Cl attach with CH3. So remove HCl1 and then Cl attach. So CH2Cl attach with benzene and then react with NaOH solution. So CH2 OH NaCl replace and OH attach with CH2, so form a benzyl alcohol. Then propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with Br2. So both of position Br attach. This position Br and this position Br. So double bond convert into the single bond. Okay, and then NaH2 and then liquid ammonia in the presence. So these Br again remove, and then hydrogen also, so triple bond are formed, propyne. Okay, then ethanol convert into the ethyl fluoride. So ethanol react with SOCl2 thionyl chloride, then OH replace and then Cl attach. Then reaction with AgF, so AgCl remove and fluorine attach. So ethyl fluoride are formed. Okay. Then next equation you have to see. This way you have to write. Then question number 12. Explain why the dipole moment of chlorobenzene is lower than that of cyclohexyl chloride. The dipole moment of chlorobenzene. So in the both compound, chlorobenzene, that is means halogen chlorine attached with benzene, and then cyclohexyl chloride halogen attached with also ring way. Okay, so both compound carbon and chlorine bond is polar due to the high electronegative of chlorine. But in case of chlorobenzene, resonance, carbon to which a chlorine is attached to sp2 hybridized, so more electronegative. And in cyclohexyl chloride, no double bond, so that is mean it is which is sp3 hybridized, so net dipole moment is lower in cyclochlorobenzene. Clear? Okay, so chlorobenzene and cyclohexyl chlorides. Chlorobenzene this way, this way, and then cyclohexyl this way. So both are ring, but here double bond, halogen attached this carbon, double bond carbon sp2 hybridized, and halogen attached here sp3 single bond, so sp3 carbon. Okay, then question number 2. Alkyl halide though polar are immiscible with water. Alkyl halides are polar but are insoluble in water because they are not able to form hydrogen bonds with water molecule. So it is polar but insoluble because it is not form hydrogen bond. Third is Grignard reagent whenever react with water, so which product are formed? Alkanes. So a Grignard reagent RMgX react with water H2O. So RH and then MgXOH. Okay, so alkane are formed and must be prepared under anhydrous condition because any water present will react with Grignard reagents. Then question number 13, give the uses of the Freon 12, DDT, carbon tetrachloride and iodoform. So in my notes already explained in the last topic way. Okay, so please read. Question number 14, write the structure of the major organic product. So only for you write which product are formed. So here you see CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl react with NaI in the presence of the acetone. So you already known about in the presence of the acetone, Na react with Cl, NaCl and iodine attach. So which product are formed? Iodopropane. Okay. Then second number reaction, CH3 whole 3 Cs, Br and KOH in the presence of the ethanol. So you already known about whenever 3 degree alcohol halide react with KOH in the presence of the ethanol, so double bond are formed. So alkene are formed. Okay. Then react with this halogen compound CH3, CHBr, CH2, CH3 react with NaOH and in the presence of the water. So Br replaced by OH. Okay, NaBr replace and then OH attach. Then CH3, CH2Br react with KCN in the presence of the aqueous ethanol. So KBr out and then CN attach. So CH3, CH2, CN. Next C6H5ONa react with C2H5Cl. So Na replaced by Cl and C2H5 attach. So C6H5OC2H5. Then CH3, CH2, CH2OH react with SOCl2. So Cl attach with this compound, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl and then OSO2 out. Then butene, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2 and then HBr in the presence of the peroxide. So this double bond is break and in the presence of the peroxide which rule follow? Anti-Markovnikov rule. So Br at this position which have major hydrogen atom and which double bond less number of hydrogen atom, hydrogen attached. So CH3, CH2, CH2 single bond CH2 Br. Then next CH3, CH double bond CH3 whole twice HBr. But in the absence of the catalyst, CHBr attached that position less number of hydrogen atom and hydrogen here attached. So CH3, CH2, CBr, CH3 whole ties. Okay. Then question number 15, write the mechanism of the following reaction NBuBr plus KCN butyl bromide. Bu means butyl. Bromide with react with KCN potassium cyanide in the presence of the ethyl oxide, hydroxide and H2O. So NBuCN form butyl cyanide. So already you known about KCN and KCN in the presence of the ethyl hydroxide first ionize K plus and Cn minus and this cyanide ion attack with butyl bromide CH3 CH2 CH2Br attack cyanide at the Br. So Br remove Br minus and then cyanide attach. So which compound is formed? Butyl cyanide. Okay. So first KCN ionized K plus and Cn minus. So cyanide attack 1 degree alkyl halide. So cyanide attach and then Br minus remove. Then question number 16, arrange the compounds of each set in the order of the reactivity towards SN2 displacement. So here you see first number 2 bromo 2 methyl butane, then 1 bromo pentane, 2 bromo pentane. So 2 bromo 2 methyl butane, then 2 bromo butane pentane and then 1 bromo pentane. So SN2 reaction which is give by 1 degree. So 1 degree high reactivity. Okay, then secondary and then isomeric chain. Clear? Then second one 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, then 2 bromo 2 methyl butane and 3 bromo 2 methyl butane. So 2 methyl butane here both, and here 3 methyl butane. So you already known about 3 methyl butane and 1 bromo attached, because bromo attached first position. Okay, so first because 1 degree, then next, then next. Third is 1 bromo butane, 1 bromo 2,2 dimethyl propane, 1 bromo 2 methyl butane and 1 bromo 3 methyl butane. So here you see greater 1 bromo butane, this is 1 degree, then 3 methyl attached butane position, so 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, then 1 bromo 2 methyl butane, and then last 1 bromo 2,2 dimethyl propane. And 4, especially otherwise you write in rough way, first you draw structure and then you see. So concept is SN2 represent for 1 degree halide. Okay, next example, next question I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.